Everything about running a digital marketing agency is a process. How you find new clients is a process. How you onboard and manage those clients is a process. How you keep clients coming back month after month and keep paying you is a process. When you're running a digital agency, you're no doubt managing 5 to 7 processes each day. And your digital agency could be in a completely different place just by managing your processes. My role as a Google Ads agency owner is to land new clients, manage their expectations, and ultimately deliver them results. And anyone can do this if they have the right blueprint. In my digital agency class, I'm going to give you all the blueprints, the strategies, the tools and tactics that I've developed over the last decade as a Google Ads agency owner and one of the top Google Ads instructors on YouTube. You're going to learn everything from starting your agency from scratch, capturing new clients, learning Google Ads, and the scaling process to take your agency to levels you've only dreamed about. You know, becoming successful with a digital agency is being able to consistently grow and keep your clients happy, so you're not spending valuable time spinning your wheels and trying to consistently find new clients to replace the clients that left. And that's just one of the lessons I'll teach you. Using my blueprints, you can set up, manage, and grow the perfect digital agency that everyone wants, and one that maintains that perfect agency-client synergy that keeps clients coming back for more. Our blueprints are step-by-step and designed for beginner agency owners and established agency owners alike. And just how good is our process? Over 60% of our clients have been with us for 4 years or longer. And I can teach you how to keep clients like that. These skills and strategies help you build, improve, and scale your digital agency. You know, people often tell me that the strategies and tactics that I've taught them have saved them months or even years in building their agencies. And I want to coach you to build your agency much quicker than I did. I've put together dozens of spreadsheets, more than 30 custom-built templates, strategies, and tools with the decade of experience that I have. And you can have it all. Why does it matter that you should learn from me? Because regardless if you're a beginner or you're already moving up in the agency world, you could always be doing better. I'm Mike Mancini, and this is Ads Agency Unlocked.